Hi, my name is Rohan. I am Vaibhav's brother. I have done my medicine and then I went to IIMA. I pursued my MBA from there. Currently, I work in a healthcare consulting firm called Elite Advisors. First thing that comes to my mind very recently is the series of revolutions in the Middle East going by the name of Arab Spring, where in Egypt, Tunisia, Libya, Yemen, centuries of dictatorship have been overturned. It was obviously because of the people of those countries, but facilitated to a large extent by social media. They extensively used Facebook, Twitter, and when authorities banned these sites and many other sites. Right now I work from Ahmedabad. My office is in Delhi. I'm the only person who is in Ahmedabad. We don't have any infrastructure other than a laptop and an internet connection. I'm connected to my office by Google Talk. Whenever we have a meeting, we have a hangout. Whenever all our documents are shared on Google Drive. So working from home and delivering to all kinds of solutions to the clients possible. So personally, it's a major thing that I can stay from home, and there are again a lot of stories. But so if I talk about my how I met my wife, before dating we were chatting. That's where it started. I learned how to say I love you in Swahili using Google search and impressed her. Another incident which I can remember, we were in Malaysia on a project, and our team had actually started to run out of funds, and our office could transfer 2 lakh rupees immediately on our travel card in a matter of a couple of hours. We can't even imagine what could have been the alternative to this in the absence of net banking. In fact, net banking in India is supposed to be one of the most advanced net banking structures in the world. The government is now planning to transfer cash subsidy directly to the poor people's bank accounts instead of going through various channels of the public distribution system, which will hopefully eliminate corruption entirely in the country. A third way of empowerment and which actually reduces corruption extensively. It is only in its rollout stage right now, but going forward, we all hope it's going to become a very big part of our country's reforms. Is the shift from subsidy to direct cash subsidy. So when the amount is transferred directly to a person's bank account, instead of subsidizing 2 cylinders or 3 cylinders of gas. And once the Aadhaar becomes completely operational, it's all expected to be linked. So the farmer, so the poor person, a below poverty line person, a certain income group person, will get subsidies based on his income levels directly. So there is no middleman, so there is no corruption.